Are you facing a legal issue but worried about the cost? Today, we're exploring affordable and free legal options that can help you navigate your case without breaking the bank. Let's start with pro bono services. Many lawyers offer their expertise for free to those who can't afford legal fees, especially if your case involves civil rights or specific social issues. If pro bono isn't available, consider low-cost options. Some attorneys offer sliding scale fees based on your income, making legal services more accessible to those with financial constraints. Legal aid organizations are another resource. They provide free or low-cost legal assistance for individuals who qualify based on their income level, especially in areas like housing and family law. Specialized services are also available. Veterans, seniors, and people with disabilities often qualify for free legal help through specific programs aimed at addressing their unique needs. You can negotiate fees too. Many lawyers are open to discussing costs and may offer flexible payment plans or discounts for those in financial need, ensuring you get the legal support you require. Remember, affordable options exist. From pro bono services to negotiation tactics and specialized aid programs, you don't have to face your legal challenges alone or at a high cost. So, if you're dealing with a legal issue, consider these options. Your case might be more affordable than you think. Comment below with any questions or experiences you've had.